Hi guys, it's Ryan from Hills Estate Agents. I'm on Fitzwarren Street in Salford M6 to show you this new listing we've got coming up. It is a 3-bedroom property located within walking distance of Salford Quays, Indy City, and close to Langworthy tram stop, which provides direct access into Manchester city centre as well. From the hallway, we go through to this large open plan living and dining space. Provides plenty of scope for entertaining. And at the rear of the property, we've got a fitted kitchen that leads on through to a low maintenance courtyard garden. As we head upstairs, straight on, we have the second bedroom, just through here, which is a decent size. Then we have a 4-piece bathroom. Towards the front of the property, on your left, we've got a storage cupboard just through there. Opens it up to a large main bedroom, which is a good sized double. And at the top floor, we've got the third bedroom, which benefits from Velux windows, letting plenty of light in. Get in touch, secure your viewing today.